What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here with the 99 Acura.
And today we are doing the oxygen sensors and the air-fuel ratio sensors.
Alright, what is up, guys? So we are going to be looking at the technical specifications of the O2 sensor. So you're going to go to all data here, type in O2 obviously, and then click on primary HO2 sensor. And then you are going to go down here to locations, components. You're going to click on this picture right here. And we have a non-California vehicle, so our O2 sensor is located here. So this is our upstream, your primary sensor, and then this is your downstream after the cat sensor. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that on the vehicle.
Now that Devin has shown you the picture, we're actually going to come over to the car and actually show you under the vehicle where these sensors are. The upstream O2 sensor is right here. It runs up and up down there. Devin, if you get in there, there's a connector right there where it connects to the engine harness. And then if you follow me back here on the other side, Devin, do a little rotate here. We got the downstream one. It is attached to the catalytic converter, as you can see. This nice thing right here. And it runs up, down, and through here, all the way through here to right there where that connector is.
Alright, so off of all data, we were able to print out a picture of what the O2 sensor looks like for the Acura. So we can see that this is a zirconia element along with a internal heater. It has a positive and negative sensor terminals and both the heater terminals, which we won't play with those. We're just going to be looking at the sensor terminals. This is internally heated, which helps stabilize the output of this sensor. And these sensors also play a big role in the air-fuel mixture, which we will look into later.
Okay, so we have the scan tool hooked up here in the car, and we're going to be reading the voltages and things from the O2 sensors. But these O2 sensors only work when they're warm, so we're going to watch and see how long it takes for them to actually start working. Now these do have heaters on them, these O2 sensors, so they should heat up a little bit faster than, say, something from the 80s. And as you can see, the first O2 sensor, the one in front of the cat, is already reading. So what was that, Devin, like 10 seconds? And as you can see on this scan tool, it'll show you the range of the O2 sensors. So we got 0 to 5 volts, and right now we are getting 0.96. And now we have the second O2 sensor, which is on the back side of the cat, and it is now reading. So as you can see, it took about 10 seconds for the first O2 sensor to start working, and about 30 seconds for the second.
Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to be pumping some propane into the intake manifold and watching the fluctuations of the O2 sensors. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up here, we got this little hooky thing right here, we're going to hook that right there. Come back here, we're going to unplug our trusty vacuum line. And then we're going to go ahead and plug that in right there. And then what you're going to do, you're going to twist this. So now our propane is on. Then you're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. And I'm going to have Colin press the button on top so that we can see our readings. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the car bogged down when we press that. I'll have Colin do that one more time for us. So yeah, you guys can see those values just drop drastically when you pump that propane right into the engine. Joining us, as you guys saw how important the O2 sensors are to the air fuel mixture.
And remember, kids, when you're messing with the propane, always be cautious. That stuff is highly flammable.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Peace out.